What we're seeing, today, obviously a lot of news saying a huge number of, quote, cases. Really nothing has changed in the past week in terms of we had a big test dump. We've been testing 10 to 15% have been testing positive for really the last week. And that's a huge change from where we were at the beginning of June when we were basically 3 or 4% in terms of the positivity statewide. We started to see a little bit of an increase in the positivity that second week of June. Some of that was driven by some hot spots around the state, but then some of it was driven, particularly in the last 2 weeks, by a lot of community transmission. We went to phase 1 at the beginning of May, and we had the best COVID results we've ever had all through May and the beginning of June. I mean, positivity was low, the cases were low, so things were going really well. It showed that you could do things economically and continue to keep your eye on the ball with the virus. I think just what's happened since in the last few weeks is I think it's more just, people want to be social. They want to interact, and that's why you're seeing it so much with the younger folks who, quite frankly, are at much less risk. I mean, and they want to interact and they understand the risk to them. So it's caused some spread there. But I think that the older folks have still been very vigilant, very cautious, and have really taken efforts to protect themselves. And I think that that's what they should be done.